you guys doing? Today's video is going to be a Huda Beauty unboxing video. I purchased the mystery box and I think yesterday was the last day. I just figured I would, oh my God, my spray tan, oh my God. Okay, so I wanted to wait and open it with you guys so you could see if it would be worth it for any future boxes because Huda Beauty has such great products. So I was gonna wait and open it with you guys. If you're interested in this unboxing, just keep watching. Okay, so her boxes are always very appeasing to the eye. Look how cute the tissue paper is. She always wraps her stuff really cute, like she just personally does it herself. And it's always in this little bubble wrap bag. Oh, okay. I think this was free with it. But look how cute. Oh my gosh, this bag is adorable and it's really, really a good size. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. No, move. Ooh. This is a nice bag. Okay. We've got some little Huda emoji stickers. Cute. I think the second sheet. I do not know what I would do with stickers. Okay, and it comes with a little card. We hope you love your mystery bundle. Gorgeous. Because we hope you found some new favorites. You'll want to stock up on. Use code FAVORITES for 15% off your next purchase. And I'm sure that's for anyone. So, of course, if you want to go to Huda Beauty and purchase any of these items, make sure you use the code FAVORITES with an S for 15% off your next purchase. Okay, I'm excited. For starters, this Diamond Balm, out of all the makeup I have, I don't have this. Sparkly Lip Balm. Okay, so this is Negligee. Cannot believe I just said that right. All right, let's see what this is about. It says glitter sprayed lip balm, soothing feel, lightweight formula, sheer and luminous coverage. Okay. All right. Please. My world just came crashing. Oh gosh. You want to know what's really good though? I'm not panicking because they are so good at sending out new products if something has arrived damaged. But look how pretty that is. Let's see, like, yeah, it's just a sheer. That's so pretty. Okay, so it looks like these sparkles are just on the outside because there's no gritty feeling whatsoever. Okay. And it's in the cute little, not unicorn, but the little packaging as her other lipsticks. Okay, moving on from that. That is really pretty. It's not too many sparkles or anything like that. It looks like we have the Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. We got a little squishy. We actually want to try that. Oh.
Oh my God.
Wishful Honey Balm. I'm so glad I got this. This is part of their new skin line. Wishful is like a brand of Huda Beauty, and this is their skin line, like I said. Jelly Moisturizer. I've really, really been wanting to try this because the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, I highly, highly recommend it. You just literally put it on your face. I don't even know if it has to be clean yet, and it just like, it turns into little balls. Like it's kind of like rolling up all the dirt and makeup or whatever. And then you just wipe it off with warm water. Okay, but back to this. This is the tub it's in. Very cute. It's a good weight to it. Oh my God, that, what does that sound like? Cool, Tito. Excuse me, is this a holographic moisturizer? This is like anything I've ever felt. It is very thick, but very, very, very moisturizing. I am really, really excited about trying this. I am a skincare fanatic, especially moisturizer, because I do have dry skin. And it's such a light scent. If you have skin that reacts to scents, I do not think this would bother you. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, that feels so good. That feels better than the Tatcha, not the water cream, but the other. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, it looks like we have the Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter Palette. And watch this. Ta-da! Ooh, it's a different one. Okay, the one I have is 3D Highlighter Palette. Prep, Sep, Sculpt, Flush, whatever. And it's beautiful. Let's see. Now you guys see why I have so much brand new makeup for sale. Yeah. Okay, let's open the Summer Highlighter Palette. And because I have dry skin, I'm really not a big fan of highlighters. I have my select like 8 that I like if I choose to use them, but I'm really not. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Of course, it comes with her gorgeous face. And these are the colors. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, can I please just swatch these? Oh my God, that is so pretty. I always start with clean hands. But I just want to show you guys. Oh my gosh. I don't want to do that with my. Oh my God, those are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. But I've got to be real with myself because I'm already trying to get rid of a lot of makeup that I've been like storing up. Like, I'm going to use this next, or I'm going to use this when I run out of this. Well, that stack has gotten too big. So if you haven't seen on my Facebook, I have a Shop My Stash album, and I have so much stuff in there. And this probably will be going in there as much as I love her products and I love everything. And I just want to keep everything because I'm a hoarder when it comes to makeup. But as you could tell, I already have that. And I have her other highlight as well, which is this. And it's the Flora Nymph All Over highlighter. And it is just, guys, look at that. Look at it.
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Okay. Let's get back, dive into the palette. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all. Okay. They had 2 different mystery boxes. One of them was like $49.99, and the one I got, the biggest one, was $89.99. And let me tell you, this is already like a $60-something palette, I believe. Of course, I already own it. I'm obsessed with her makeup. But this is already like close to, I mean, this and this go over what this box cost. So I'll show you without opening this because this will be going in the for sale bin as well. But I will reach up here. I've got all my Huda Beauty stuff up here. That is this palette. And I love this palette. Y'all, are you ready for this? Look at how beautiful. And like swatching these, like these don't play. Like, that's just one of the bold colors. Let me do the pink. Where am I? Right here. Like, look at that. That is like glass. Now I just want to do another one just because. Oh my gosh, which one? I'm freaking out. Just kidding. Now I'm just like, is this a swatch review? Oh, that's on top of the, look at that. Just look at it. Okay, so this is my personal one again, and I will be putting that in the Shop My Stash. It is the Mercury Retrograde by Huda Beauty palette. Retails, I wonder if this will tell me. Nope. That retails for, that's one of the more expensive palettes, but let's keep it moving. Okay, so I've got a lip strobe, and this obviously is this color. Lip strobes are very interesting. A while back, I actually purchased the entire, what is it called? I already took them out because I kind of wanted all my lipsticks and stuff in the same, but they all came in this. And as you can see, let's see what this color is. Hang on. Moody. Look, there it is. Lip strobes are gorgeous. You can wear them on their own to have like a, there's a little bit of base to it, but it's not just going to be like boom purple. It's going to be like a sheer purple. But you put these bad boys on top of another color, you can put this on top of a red, and it just, they give you the most beautiful, beautiful colors. And yes, I'm a psycho, and I knew I would own the majority of what I got. But like I said, even getting 2 products that I do not have would still be worth more than the value that I paid for this box or the bag. Okay, so we've got this, and this will be going in the, is that the right way? This will be going in the Shop My Stash. Again, it's in the color Moody. Lastly, Lifeliner. Look at me already like, where is it? I do have, wait, yes, I do have this. I'm telling you, I really haven't tried a bad product from Huda Beauty. I really, really haven't. Found it. Now we're, okay. So this I do own, but I mean, you go through eyeliners fast. So you got your one in, that is, of course, again, I said it's the dual, and it is the liquid end. And I mean, they are black. I just cannot go in. Okay. They are very black. Yeah, pencil and liquid. And then of course this end, we've got the pencil, and it is very black as well. And I do love the liners. And then of course they do, which didn't come in the bag, but it is worth a try. If you are the type of person that is unsure if you like mascara for volume or length, you know, whatever works best for you. But she does have a mascara, a dual-ended mascara, and it even breaks it down for you. One of them's for volume, one of them is curl and length. So of course the one for volume is going to be the fluffy side. If you ever see like mascara bristles and you're wondering like what it's for. And then for length, it's always going to be a skinnier one with shorter like rubber bristles or whatever. But that's worth trying out too. So we got all that, and we got to get a bag as well. And this is such a cute travel bag. I usually get rid of most of my bags, but I'm telling you, it is, you know, you get your money's worth when you get anything from Huda Beauty. That's just my opinion. In this video, I wanted to show you guys what I already have posted in my Shop My Stash. So now that I've added some things, I'll just show you just the Huda Beauty stuff that I have in there. So of course, we'll go over it again. We've got this highlighting palette. We've got the lip strobe. We've got the Mercury Retrograde palette. That is so beautiful. What else was I going to put in there? Oh, I got it right here. Sorry. We have what I'd already have posted is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So this is the primer that you put underneath your foundation or, you know, whatever. Okay. Then we've got this Demi Matte Huda Beauty cream lipstick. And I have so many already. This is the shade Passionista, Pretty sure I already had this shade, and I do love, love, love those. This little mini palette is the Emerald Obsessions palette. So very pretty. Ooh. Then we've got the Topaz Obsessions palette. That's beautiful as well. If you ever run across something online where you just see the name, just type it in Google and it'll show you every shade. And then, because of the way I buy makeup and mystery boxes and this and that, and Ipsy and BoxyCharm and this and that, blah, 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 I've ended up with the one I use, of course, but 2 extra Huda Beauty Rose Gold palettes, the remastered. These are a must-have in any collection. If you don't collect, it is still something that you just need. They are beautiful. Okay, this is mine. This is my personal one, so of course it's going to be dirty, but oh my gosh, her palettes are just so beautiful. And trying to get the light right on that. But these, it's more, in my eyes, this is more of a neutral palette. Of course, you can deepen it up and make it fun or whatever. But this is my favorite color right here. These for your transition shades, meaning all over. And then you could just deepen your corner with any of them and put these shimmers on your lid. It's so simple. Simple, easy looks that just are beyond this world, out of this world. And of course, this is her look that she made from the palette. But again, these are so beautiful. And I just wanted to, I was so excited. So I wanted to have you guys unbox this stuff with me. So if you enjoyed, let me know. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know down below. Like and comment. Subscribe if you want to be notified of any future videos that I post. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. I forgot to add in anything that you guys may buy from me, or it doesn't even have to be from me. But if there is a palette that you would like me to use, do a certain look or a few looks with, I could do one on this side and one on the other, just to give you guys an idea of how to use a palette, because I do not want you guys to be overwhelmed, because it can be very overwhelming when you get a palette that is a little bit bigger and more shades. So I would be so happy to do that with you guys. Any way that I could help, I'm always here. Just remember to comment down below any video, and I'm very open to helping you guys. So don't be scared of makeup. It wipes off. Makeup is fun. Okay, not permanent. It's not a tattoo. Not clowning on tattoos at all. So anyways, I just wanted to add that in.